Thank you and welcome back. In this episode, we will set up the single page. And for more details on the SPA application structure, the starting page, and downloading the SPAjs with the dependencies, visit SPAjs website. For now, let's create our application root folder, SPA app, and open this folder in VS Code. Okay, let's create the single page called index.html. This is our starting and only web page. Let's add some text and test on a local server. I'm using a VS Code and you'll be able to do it quickly using the emmet shortcut. To quickly test this, we can use the VS Code extension live server and we can test this page. Works good. So now let's see how to download the SPA.js and its dependencies and include them in the index.html. The fastest and simplest way to add SPA.js into our project is CDN. Okay, and just copy the CDN path from SPA.js website and include in index.html. It's good to go. The second approach is using a bower. Unfortunately, the bower downloads a lot of unnecessary files. Then we need to use gulp or gren to extract only the necessary files into the distribution. So let's see how it goes. As you can see, it's downloading the dependency files like jQuery and handlebars. And as you can see, it downloaded not only the required files, but it downloaded a whole lot of other files. For now, we will ignore this bower installation and we will go and download only the specific files and include in our application. So if at all we are using a bower, then we can use this, or we need to move this minibyte file into a distribution folder and then do some configuration. So this is only to demonstrate in case if you are using a bower, and how do we include those necessary files into our project. So let's ignore this power installation approach for time being, and let's go with the manual download of SPAjs and its dependencies. So we don't have a power, and let's create a folder to store these downloaded files. The preferred location could be xlib, or it can be any other folder based on your preferences. So we need three folders: jQuery, handlebars, and SPAjs. So it's ready now. We have a xlib folder and three folders, basically empty folders to hold those libraries. Let's go and download those files. Though we can go into individual dependency files like jQuery.com or handlebars in a website and the SPA. So there's a quick shortcut is given to download the latest dependency files. So we downloaded jQuery into jQuery folder and handlebar.js into handlebars folder, and finally the SPAjs latest bundle into SPA folder. So as you can see, we have all the three files, and now let's go and include these three files into our index.html. That's all in this episode to build a single page application, and starting with SPA.js. We can include Bootstrap and other UI framework libraries. For this particular application, let's ignore the UI and focus on the JavaScript. Thank you. I'll see you on the other side.